Hello friends, this is Dr. Meghanshu Gupta and today I'm back from my Diwali holidays. Hope you guys also had a safe and wonderful Diwali, a festival of light. And here I'm presenting two new cases of flexible partial. And the first one for my patient Orlando Alvarez, and another one is for the Eleni Harrell. So this is for the Eleni Harrell, and another one is for the Orlando Alvarez. So we have made this upper and lower flexible partial for them. So this is the upper partial. So you can see the flexible partial. You can see the flexibility of this partial, and this clasp are also very flexible. And this is for the lower jaw, and lower jaw is also very flexible. So you can see the flexibility of the lower jaw also. And this clasp are very flexible. This clasp is also flexible. And they have supplied us this trays, impression trays, and we have made this cast out of them digitally. This is how we have made this upper flexible partial, and it is attached like this on the missing tooth structure, and over the gums, and over the present teeth presents. And this is for the lower. So lower is also attached like this. So it is attached like this. So you can appreciate both upper and lower cast with the dentures over them, partial dentures over them, and you can appreciate the occlusion from both the sides, from the right and left side respectively, and you can check the anterior overjet overbite. So they can now the patient can able to bite with their posteriors and chew with their posterior, and can have cut from the anterior teeth. So and now for the another patient is for the Orlando Alvarez, and they were having a missing tooth on both upper and lower region. So upper they were missing on the left side, they were on the right side they were missing one premolar and one molar. So we have made this Nesbitt bridge for them, and for the lower they were missing one molar only, and we have made this one unit Nesbitt bridge for them. And similarly they have also supplied us this this trays, impression trays, and we have made this cast out of it, and we have made this flexible Nesbitt bridge for them, so that they can have a replacement of the missing tooth, so that there won't be any movement in the in the other tooth after the extraction, after the tooth extraction. So this is the occlusion. You can see that molars are on molars, and on the another side is also the molars are on molars. So you can appreciate both the side of sides similarly, and with good overjet overbite. So now patient can able to chew and bite with their posteriors, and can cut from their anterior teeth. So guys, hope you have enjoyed my video, and please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel too. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.